Proceeding with the fade, we will remove the attachment that we had just used. Boop. And for me, the next largest, tallest one is 9mm 3/8 inch. And again, we're gonna do 1/4 of an inch from where we left off. So we've done a few of these 1/4 of an inches. So it's right about there. This is where we're gonna start. We're gonna go up 1/4 of an inch again. We're gonna continue to do this until we reach a height that the fade is done, and then we'll start trimming the top. Okay, here we go. And again, I'd recommend going over it to make sure you got all those hairs. Okay.